Hi, I'm Ruby Hussain and welcome to my channel Studio RH. Today I'm going to show a beautiful bridal makeup on a deep wheatish skin. She is my model, a sweet girl, and she is very excited for the entire look. Let's get started. I have just cleaned her skin. She has come and then I gave her a nice face wash. Now I'm going to get rid of all the other grime that is there on the skin. Now I'm going to give her a sprig of rose water. Starting with the eye makeup first. She does have a little bit of dark circles and her eyelids were a little dark, so I have used 2 shades of concealers to cover it. The Benefit Colorful palette, although I'm not going to give any colorful eye makeup, I'm just using the brown shades. And then accordingly I will add a little bit of shimmer or gold according to the outfit. One more time, I'm using one of my favorite palette from Too Faced, and I'm picking up colors, not a deep color but very muted shades of browns and golds, blending both sides. Once again I've picked up my Benefit palette and I've picked up a little maroonish purplish color, blending 2 shades to get this color, bringing it right into the eye area. I've applied the moisturizer, little cream based, and I have got to let it sit for some time. Going with the concealer, mixing 2 shades of concealer to get her shade, and need to do a little bit of coverage since it is going to be a bridal look. Blending the concealer into place, just dab press so that whatever has to go on the skin will go and the rest will come into the Moist Beauty blender. Foundation done using my favorite contour palette. I'm trying to contour, nose contouring. Highlighting done. Now I have to set the makeup. Finishing of this video, this beautiful lipstick on my model's face. Hope you like it. So this is what I have created on a very brown skin toned girl. So if you like the video and you like the makeup, do subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and share. Bye.